Example 5, how do you know the domain and the range by looking at a graph? So there is a list of ordered pairs that we're going to start with. So this first point here is left 2, up 2. The next ordered pair is left 1, up 1. This one is the origin, 0, 0. Next one, 1, negative 1. 2, negative 2. And 3, negative 3. So when we do the domain, we identify all the x values. So negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. The range values, we list the y values. So negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Is it a function? Yes, because none of those x values repeat. Here's another one. I'm going to go ahead and list out those points. There's 0, comma, negative 2, 1, comma, negative 1, 2, 0, 2, 1. You can stop right there for a minute. We can identify that that is not a function because the x value repeats at 2. And then continue on. Next ordered pair, over 1, up 2. Again, it repeats again at 1. The domain, all the x values, 0, 1, and 2. We don't have to repeat if they see that number again. So range is your y's, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Vertical line test is every point on a vertical line that has the same x coordinate, so vertical line cannot represent a function. If a vertical line passes through more than one point of a relation, the relation is not a function. So here's a couple examples. If we look at this first example, it touches once, it touches once. So this is a function. It passes the vertical line test. The difference with the second one over here, notice it touches twice on that vertical line. So we say this one fails the vertical line test, so it's not a function. This one passes the vertical line test because the lines just touch one time on every imaginary line. So example 7 is use the vertical line test to determine if the relation is a function. So we imaginary line, 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 line. All of those just touch once, touch once, touch once, touch once, touch once. So this one is a function. If I draw a vertical line here, it touches twice. This is not a function. Vertical line, vertical line, vertical line, vertical line, vertical line, vertical line. This one also passes the vertical line test.